J&N for 2026.
Girl, I haven't seen you since last year.
Lydia, that's getting old. It's been weeks.
Oh, my bad. Moving on.
In this episode, we will
Recap the December Jacket Code Assembly
cover wrestling season.
and go with the 8th graders to the high school transition.
I'm Scarlett.
And I'm Lydia. This is J&N.
A show with interesting topics.
And even more interesting people.
Let's hit that absolutely banger intro.
Cowabunga. I forgot how fun those can be.
I know, right? Between the Jacket Code winners to the games, I don't know what's my favorite.
I don't know either. Now let's see how the wrestling season went.
We want to pay attention to the amazing wrestling season that ended before break.
Let's take a look at some of the stuff that happened at their meets.
The wrestling season went pretty good. My best memory from the season was definitely the bus rides after the meets. The person that made the biggest impact on the team, in my opinion, was definitely Addie Green.
The wrestling season went pretty good for me. The best memory of the season was when I went to conference. The person that made the biggest impact on the team was probably Kobe.
As you can see, the season went amazing. For J&N, I'm Colin McNett.
And I'm Jackson Pendergrass.
Congratulations to the conference medalists and good job everyone for a great season.
Now we have a special segment for you.
It is called, drumroll please, Is Jax Taller?
Hard, got a heart of a team. Late nights in the shadows, gotta stay on my grind. Lost the game.
Welcome to Is Jax Taller for J&N, and we have Milo and Jackson. Okay, let's see. Jackson's this tall. Milo's pretty Jackson's taller, but I think if we add a chair. Oh yeah. Now Milo is definitely taller than Jackson, but if we put this Dr. Pepper on top of Jackson, then they're basically the same height. So really, who's taller? Him. Jackson's really taller. So yeah, Jackson is taller. Now we have Jackson and Elise for Is Jackson Taller? Go. Jackson is taller. Is Jackson taller than the fire alarm? Let's see. No, Jackson is not taller than the fire alarm, so you're short. I'm taller than the flag. No. Is Jax taller than the plant? Oh, he's not taller. There are leaves above his head.
Taller than Maverick. Let's see.
Jax is not taller than Maverick on a chair. Bye-bye.
Hard, got a heart of a team. Late nights in the shadows, gotta stay on my grind.
And welcome back.
Lydia, this is not the news.
It kind of is.
Well, never mind. Let's move on to the 8th grade transition.
January 13th, LMS 8th graders took a trip to the high school to explore their future.
I think the Discover Your Path Day went really well for our 8th grade students. We took over 300 8th graders over to the high school in 2 groups where they could explore the high school, learn about it, learn about some electives, do some scheduling, and then also take a tour of the high school. I think this is their first introduction to the high school, so it gives them kind of their first glimpse into what the high school is like. They get to look at what scheduling looks like, what their classes are going to look like, and just what an overall day at the high school will look like as they are freshmen next year.
It went good. It was fun seeing like every hallway and what they're coordinated to. Definitely helped me with my classes. I mean, I don't think I'm gonna have them memorized just based off the tour, but I got a good picture of like what I can do for my junior and senior year.
It went really well. To me, I learned a lot of where the classes were and about all like the machinery and the electrician and stuff. Did never worry about if you are feeling too much stress, you can drop out of a class or two.
I think it went pretty good. I mainly just hung out with friends though. Probably just knowing where all this stuff is at, pretty much.
For JNN, I'm Emma Stevens.
I can't believe it is almost time to send us 8th graders to the high school.
I know. I hope we'll all be missed.
That's all for this episode.
We hope you had a great holiday break, and we will see you next time. Bye!
Happy New Year, guys.
Jax, put cash down.
Yes, you better be the newlywed.
Okay.
Please be, I need this.